Hi everyone, welcome back for this third video tutorial on Trillion Trees FORMAPP. My name is Diane and today we will see how to collect survival monitoring data. The survival monitoring form is used after the restoration interventions have been completed to verify that the interventions have taken place, measure the survival rate of the trees planted, and ensure environmental management measures were observed. The process is exactly the same as what you've seen in the second video tutorial, except this time we will use the template form called Survival Monitoring Form. The template is also available in the public collection Trillion Trees in Kobo Toolbox, and you can also access it directly from the FORMAPP website under the Resource tab in the Template Forms section. If you scroll down below the text, you have a direct link to the Survival Monitoring template form. It will open in Kobo Toolbox, and from there you can download it by clicking on the three dots over here and selecting Download XLS. Then you can open the form on your Excel software and make the edits that you need. Remember that there are some changes that can be done and others that cannot be changed to make sure that the form is compatible with the database. So you can add questions, you can add, delete or edit the choices, edit the labels and the hints, and add languages. But you shouldn't delete columns, you shouldn't delete questions, change variable names, change anything in the column required, relevant or calculation, and also you should not group existing questions. Once you've adapted the form, you can validate it with the Trillion Trees Form Validator. To use the validator, you can again select the master template. Here we want to validate the survival monitoring form, so you can select the survival monitoring as the master template and then upload your own form to validate it, and read carefully the instructions that will tell you if your form is compatible or not with the database. Once you've validated, you can upload the form on your Kobo Toolbox account. To upload it, you can go to your projects here, click on the button New, upload a new form, and you can go find your template form in your computer, your survival monitoring form in your computer. Drag and drop it in the little window here. It will upload, check that everything is all right. Add the sector and the country and click on Create Project. It will tell you it's successfully updated, and to make sure you can use it, you can then deploy it. And after it is deployed, remember you need to share it with Trillion Trees account and CT_Trillion Trees to make sure that you can use it in the CyberTracker app. So to do that, you go to the settings of your form, then you go to sharing, and in sharing you add the user Trillion Trees. Here I'm the owner of the form, so I don't have to add it, but you can add CT_Trillion Trees and click on View Submissions, Edit Form, and grant permissions. All right, from there you are ready to use the survival monitoring form in CyberTracker. Let's have a look at the slides that will tell you how to actually use the form in CyberTracker. So I'm going to go to the survival monitoring step. It will be the same thing as for the site mapping. here. So here in your Cyber Tracker app, to add this new survival monitoring form, when you open the app, you can click on the plus button here, and then you'll have the list, a list where you can select Trillion Trees here. Then you can enter the username of your Kobo account and click on Choose Form. And here you can select the form that you want. So in this case, normally you've already downloaded your site mapping one, so you can just check the survival monitoring so that it appears in your list of projects and can be used offline. You should be all set to go collect your survival monitoring data in the field. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.